I'm with Cintas Fire Protection, and today we're going to talk about the importance of fire extinguishers. One of the most common questions I get while I'm out on route is how long do fire extinguishers last? In a commercial setting, the fire extinguisher that is most commonly used is an ABC. Those are required to be tested every 6 years. However, there are several different types of fire extinguishers. You need to check with your local fire protection provider, and they should be able to answer any of those questions for you. Cintas Fire Protection handles all of your inspections, from your monthly to your annual to the interval test dates that are required. At Cintas Fire Protection, we have what is known as our Even Exchange program. When an extinguisher at your facility comes due for test, what I will have on my van is an extinguisher to swap out. That way, there is no breakdown in the coverage for your facility. The best way to think of it is when you have an empty propane tank on your grill, you take it to the store, you leave your empty one, and you come away with a full one. If you would like to learn more about fire safety, please visit cintas.com/fire. Thank you for watching.